It's snowing. Guess who it is? Tristan. Tyrell has made
The sun.
the sun out of his orange.
Yep.
Yes, you're an artist, Tyrell.
Thank you. I made an apple lantern.
The lantern.
You need to flip it on its side.
So Delaney just finished her first ever university exam, right?
It wasn't my
Like
first, it was
first.
my second.
Her second, sorry.
Second official, I've had a few.
Yeah. So it's, what is it, like 9 at night, and we're going to go get dairy-free frozen yogurt from this like local place, because, you know what?
Because I want ice cream.
Because we want ice cream and we can't have normal ice cream. It's like, it's pouring, it's pouring! Cheated. We got some dairy. Here's mine. And there's Sweaties. That's what happens when you're done exams, I guess. Last day of school!
They took a bunch of like Biggie songs and they remixed it with Star Wars. But it sounds so good.
We figured out that in every package of Starburst there's 38 Starburst, and Justin bought me 3 packages, so he got me 114, which means I also have 70 at home, which means I have about 200 Starburst. Oh my god!
I got shit.
I can see you got like a full-on box.
How come you didn't get pancakes yet?
Shut up! Just kidding. So I'm driving a little ways to my friend's house for a little while, and then tonight is my other friend's surprise party for her 16th birthday. So hopefully I actually remember to tape things, because if not, then at least you know what I'm doing.
Put it on your tree. I put it on mine.
Gooey Louie.
There's Louie.
You're supposed to pull out a gooey, and then maybe his brain will pop out.
I love games. I think I'm gonna buy it.
Okay.
We got here like really early. Like no one's here, but this place is huge.
It starts at 6:30 and it's it
Well,
starts at 7. We
it
had to
starts
be
at
here at
7.
6:30, but it's 6:12.
And no one's here
It's
still.
okay though. We're fine.
Hopefully we're at the right place.
Such a cheater!
Hey there, right now we're at Monica's party right now.
We need to introduce Monica.
True. Where is she? Where's she at?
You need to be sideways, hon.
Oh. Sorry, everyone.
Nice.
Jack Anita's a little snug in her bed.
Wait.
Easy!
We don't. But that's one thing we don't.
Are you making noodles?
It's a key.
Hi, my name is Nico and I'm a Chihuahua.
Welcome to the world of vlogging. This is our Uncle Matt.
What a world of logging.
We have a vlog.
Oh, okay.
That's a great idea.
This is my.
It's lovely Uncle Matt.
You're gonna show them your underwear drawer. This is his lovely underwear drawer. Which one's the underwear drawer? Lovely underwear drawer. Yeah.
What is that?
It's an Angry Bird that I got last year. It's like a ball. Check this. Yeah, Angry Bird.
Did it still hit him?
Yeah. Your next performance, you know that. I'm a kindergarten teacher. I'm used to people throwing stuff at me all the time.
Uncle Matt never had any brothers to pick on.
No, just Megan. That's why she's so weird.
Last day of school!
So cool.